upgraded. As you can see, it has no rear or front fender, and I also somewhat caught it on fire. So this plastic right here is melted right at the bottom. So check this out. We've got a brand new plastics kit, tires, and even some decals. Now let's get to work. Ooh yeah. While we have all the plastics removed, let's change out the tires. We need to burn these tires off. Now let's take off the wheels. We got the tire off, we got a brand new tire and tube. Let's install it. We finally got the brand new tire on there. Oh yeah. New tire going on. We got the new tire on. Now let's install it back on the bike. Oh yeah. Now let's start putting all the new plastics on. Now time for stickers. We got all the stickers on, and boy, she's looking good.